The LG B20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A51 for straight talk. So I think that this is the 4G version of the Galaxy A51. This is not the 5G version, I don't think. So it's available now. Model number is S515DL. So this is what the phone looks like. So you guys have your whole punch for the front facing camera, airbase, power, and your RAM case will be on the right side of the phone. On the right side of the phone, like I said, power and volume keys. And then in the back of the Galaxy A51, there's your cameras. Come off that Samsung logo. And I do like this design here in the back, so pretty interesting there. So the Galaxy A51 has Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, at 1080 by 2400. Cameras is 48 megapixel main, 32 megapixel front facing camera, and a 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and you have a depth sensor and a macro lens as well on the rear. 25 hours of talk time, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. Your dimensions on the Galaxy A51: 6.24 inches height, 2.89 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. So it's introducing the new A51 series. Experience the features you've been waiting for with the Samsung Galaxy A51. Take crisp pics and flawless smooth video with the 48 megapixel quad camera equipped with super steady optical image stabilization mode. Immerse yourself in a spacious 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen powered by a long-lasting fast-charging battery. And the Galaxy A51 S399. So yeah, I think this is just the 4G version, I believe. Doesn't mention nothing about 5G, so again, this is just the 4G version for now. Hopefully Straight Talk will get the 5G version. Hopefully it will. So like I said before, your dimensions are 6.24 inches height, 2.89 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. The Galaxy A51 is 6.6 ounces, 44,000 mAh per battery. This one's 4,000 milliamps. 25 hours of talk time, 13 days of standby time, GSM and LTE. So you'll probably rock an at&t on this. And you'll get 4G on that. There is no 5G. This one does not have 5G with it. So what you guys get in the box is the Samsung Galaxy A51 smartphone, charger, battery, which is embedded in the phone, activation card, services guide, and quick start guide there. And of course, on every Straight Talk phone, they always have to say this on every phone that you guys look at. It says here, a service plan card is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. Service plan card is required for activation. I don't know why they said it twice, but whatever. It says text S515DL to 611 for mobile tutorials, right? It says power to keep you going. Scroll, snap, and serve with a fast charging battery that retains power throughout the day. Pretty great camera shots in just a snap. Capture pro-level photos with a tap of a finger, from epic landscape shots to dramatic portraits to macro angles that reveal intricate textures and detail. This impressive quad camera has a lens for whatever inspires you. Crisp, colorful, captivating. A camera for any occasion. Capture. I don't know what the this is. It says edge to edge color. Okay. I don't know what this is. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's a typo. I don't know. It's just weird. It says edge to edge color with inexpensive 6.5 inch infinity air display feature that should be AMOLED screen that brings cinematic clarity right to your fingertips, and the entirety, shoot vibrant blue light photos and take flattering selfies. Smooth, stable shots. Take remarkably smooth video of fast moving action and crisp Ultra HD quality at top-notch stability. Makes photos and videos look super smooth with minimal blur, right? So, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy A51 does not have extra talk. It's available for $399.99, and this is the 4G version of the A51. This is not the 5G version. It's not. So hopefully the Straight Talk will move with the 5G version of this one. That'd be really cool. So I would wait to get the 5G version of this one. You could probably buy the Galaxy A51 5G and bring the Straight Talk. So do that. So yeah, this is the 4G version of the Galaxy A51 at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, or let me know. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.